Now the cubs have a taste for meat. They won't stop quarreling. This time, it's Dada who's in charge. Mzuri will have to be inventive. Use a trick learned from the enemy. Wait, and the food will come. Eventually. Play the enemy's games and you risk meeting them. Her clan scattered, Zalika is back to scavenging alone. All Mzuri can do is hide. Mzuri was reckless. If Zalika was quicker, she would have lost her life. Some warriors are not meant to fight alone. Somehow, Zalika must reunite her clan.